You are now listening to the number one podcast in Sabah.
Anda sedang mendengar Kinabalu Podcast.
I was going to rip his heart out. I'm the best ever. I'm the most brutal and vicious and most ruthless champion there's ever been. There's no one can stop me. Praise be to Allah.
Coming to you live from Sabah. This is Kinabalu Podcast.
Ya, podcast ini dibawakan khas kepada anda oleh M3N, tenaga gaya dan keyakinan. M3N dapat memberikan anda tenaga ekstra sepanjang hari, membantu meningkatkan kualiti tidur dengan menyokong tahap hormon lelaki yang sihat.
Ya, harga sebotol adalah RM85 sahaja. Dapatkan diskaun sebanyak RM5 setiap pembelian dengan menggunakan kod
Kinabalu
semasa check out di website dan juga di WhatsApp.
Layari laman sesawang mereka www.malasa.com.my untuk membeli sekarang.
Ikuti mereka di FB atau IG @m3n.kuasa. Boleh order melalui WhatsApp di 017-512-3401.
Now let's bangkit. Oi.
3 lelaki 2 bapa 1 bujang. Podcast pertama paling ini tidak kurang.
Di sama nombor 1 yang lain boleh pulang. Info terkini tajuk best paling mana. Si Kado botak janggut lebat tiada lawan. Kenny ketawa boleh sampai pecah syawak. Si Faizal pula bagi punchline lipat awak.
Kami training, kami ranking, jom jadi kawan. Dari yang dekat mari sini jangan jauh. Volume kasih up, kasih gempa baru jago.
Jokes kami cool, lawak masuk cool. Kadang kami carut sama macam 3 Abdul. Come on everybody, let's move to the beat. Crack the volume up, dengar podcast tidak stupid. Jangan jauh, mari kami bau. Ciao bella ciao, ciao bella ciao.
Selamat kembali ke podcast nombor 1 di Sabah. Saya Ricardo.
Dan saya Kenny.
Ya, kami adalah podcast nombor 1 di Sabah yang dikenali sebagai Kinabalu Podcast. Dan yang kita dapat tahu sekarang, kita sedang berada live di IG Alan James. Kita masih lagi bersama dengan Alan James. What's up bro?
Yo,
What's up?
So in the middle of the night, the part yang kedua tu sangat-sangat awesome, akan keluar di TikTok nanti. I'm pretty sure it's gonna go viral and shit. But ya, kita tunggu lah macam mana, how fast mimin kita buat lah, abang mimin kita.
Iya. Saya masih belum move on dari story itu.
Yo,
betul-betul
man.
meremang bulu. Gila.
Wow.
Awesome, right?
Yeah, awesome man.
Wow. Ada lagi kah?
Tapi yang ikut di office tu, itu kind of like, that is scary man.
Scary.
Sekarang tidak sudah kah teman? Sekali skala
Tidak
ada.
sudah lah.
Oh,
Tidak
okay.
sudah. So,
Kau ni minta-minta li sekali skala ada kalau.
dia macam makin pelan. Dulu kan dia setiap malam.
Oh.
Lepas tu pandai like
2-3 malam.
Ya, 2-3 malam. Last satu minggu satu kali. And then go.
Wow, lama dia mau tinggal kau Ellen. Lama dia mau tinggal kau. Dia ikut challenge je.
Bukan.
Saya mau yang handsome dulu. Tapi dia dapat dengar dia bercakap sebab tutup kan.
Oh my god. Mind blowing.
Ada begitu ah.
Tolong dulu record.
Bodoh.
Sorry.
Tolong buka sikit. Saya mau cium si Ellen.
Bodoh.
Palis.
Ya.
Let's get back to you, Ellen now. Okay.
Alright.
Ellen. Let's just leave the special branch dulu, which is very cool lah for you to actually tell us that we can actually go to your line. Kalau tidak,
Wow.
I mean, mana yang dia boleh share, which is great actually.
Yeah.
Bukan sejak by knowing so, actually it's knowledge for the other people, to the listeners ataupun the viewers juga sebenarnya.
Yeah.
On how important the
Line of
unit,
work is.
his line of work lah di Malaysia.
Yeah.
And we are proud of it lah.
We're very
Yeah.
proud. Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks.
Kau pergi kau pergi peragaan ni, modeling ni. Kau memang suka digambar-gambar kah atau macam mana ni, Ellen?
Siap. For me, I just want to be like the person, jadi icon, and then orang inspire lah. Actually, kalau kau tengok saya punya IG pun bukan jauh banyak orang follow, but I don't care about that lah. Cuma what I care is how I give the positive impact to the people, especially the younger generations. Begitulah.
I see.
Yeah, so so by doing this, I mean, like I can advocating things.
Betul.
Sebab dalam kami punya pageant industry, of course kita ada advocacy.
Okay.
So my advocacy is drugs abuse.
Okay.
I see.
Alright.
I see.
Drugs abuse. So you can, too many stories that related to drugs abuse
Okay.
as caused to social,
Yes.
emotional, and job related problems. So for me, this is alarming how much damage drugs abuse cause to
I
our
see.
society.
Okay.
So in the line of in the line of my work, it's quite confident, but
Betul.
in the line of my work, I mean like I can see the statistic. So
Oh, ya.
yeah, begitu bah.
Dia teruk lah bila kau nampak. Sangat
teruk
menakutkan lah to the future lah.
Sangat menakutkan. So by I want to try a different platform lah.
Okay.
Sebab kalau kita
By force je.
by force saja ni kan, it's for me it's a last option.
Okay.
Last option. Sebab kadang-kadang ada yang victim dia ni kan, victim dia diorang drugs abuse bukan pasal apa, sebab mungkin diorang pengaruh rakan kawan
I see.
ataupun diorang stress, diorang mau buat kerja, everything lah.
Terpaksa gitu kan.
Terpaksa. So diorang need energy boost
Yeah.
without diorang punya knowledge begitu kan.
Yeah. And then they get addicted to it.
Yeah, so kalau kita doing force
Yeah,
sampai bila kan?
sampai bila.
Ah,
Betul juga.
Ya, betul
so
juga
we
lah.
have to like kita have to educate diorang lah begitu. So
Hmm.
I use this platform.
Satu
I see.
tindakan yang terpuji lah.
Mulia lah.
Mulia.
So it's kind of like you're doing this in terms of like prevention is better than cure kan?
Yeah,
Awareness.
exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, awareness.
Awareness, yes.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So talking about, you see, you are kira front line, and kau ni you told us just now you are seeing the analysis and the statistics.
Yeah.
How bad we are in the line of drug
I can say
abuse.
that it's so bad.
Oh
So
man.
bad.
Oh, no.
So bad. I mean like it's increasing every day. Kita punya, sebab banyak yang banyak yang macam salah satu kita ambil satu lah methamphetamine.
Okay.
Methamphetamine.
Syabu ni kan?
Ya, syabu.
Methamphetamine,
Right. Dia punya quality bukan macam dulu. So makin murah, semakin cepat orang gila. Sebab dia punya quality is not like before.
Sekarang
I see.
lebih advance lah.
Lebih advance.
Okay.
It's not like advance lah. Actually, it's
Lower
decreasing dia
quality.
punya quality. So itu yang bikin orang cepat gila. Kalau dulu kan diorang terus buat kerja and then energetic.
Okay.
But sekarang dia sudah evolve.
Campur tai kambing.
Ya, betul lah. Campur chemical yang
chemical yang tidak sepatutnya lah di badan.
Begitulah. So it's you can get to the night market in the night market with cheaper kan, betul.
Can we get in the night market? No, not me, but
mungkin anda kan ya.
Yeah.
Actually belakang rumah mana-mana pun ada orang nego kan.
Oh,
benda
wow.
tu.
Oh
Jadi,
my goodness.
we are becoming
So-
well this is very sensitive issues, I have to say. Because this is macam mana pun dia pergi political juga at the same time.
betul.
Because macam mana dia masuk pergi sini, and macam mana dia orang ada lab or something like that. So this is why I think why special branch ni wujud juga at the same time.
Yes.
Kenapa ada badan-badan uniform ni, contohnya askar dan atau polis ataupun PGA dan sebagainya ni yang mengawal. Even though kita dah nampak, tapi sebenarnya diorang really doing so hard on
Behind the scenes
preventing
kan.
preventing isu sebegini. Dan saya mau lari daripada yang this saya mau kita cerita macam mana si Ellen ni, dia bilang dia mau India ada platform by doing pageant and everything, dapat advocate orang daripada itu. By doing so, bila kau buat pageant, bila ada pageant yang kau join apa semua, mesti ada yang Q&A begini kan, mesti ada tu juror ataupun the jury bagi question and everything kan. So you will represent the drug abuse and everything apa semua lah. So how hard is the question usually?
Actually, it's not very hard. Cuma sebab kita sudah ready kan. So kalau belum ready mungkin kita
Terkapai-kapai sikit
lah. Cuma kita sudah ready untuk pergi sana
I see.
because kita bukan bertanding di Pitas. Begitu.
Okay.
Kalau kita bertanding di Pitas, di Paitan mungkin kita boleh ada cerita lah kan.
Okay.
So
I see.
we have to be ready. So apa yang kita punya objective is we try to adapt and give the positive impact lah.
I see.
Gitu.
So let me just kau sebagai you are going to the line, you are in the line actually. Kalau di Sabah you may be in the dalam WhatsApp group lah, this modeling punya something the line. So what is your practice? What did you do every day? Do you take supplements? Do you supplements?
Supplements?
do you go for gym and all? Kau angkat
okay.
ada kau angkat gini.
Oh, do you even live, bro? No.
What? I live using my
Kira daily routine
yeah,
kau
so
lah,
your daily routine lah to maintain lah.
My daily routine, yes, I go for gym
Okay.
actually, of course. So
Yeah.
ambil suplemen tu, yes, just for health lah.
I see.
Begitu. So sebab orang tengok kita kan, so we have to go for in shape. Lepas tu,
How do
begitu
you
sajalah.
How do you encourage yourself to go to gym every day and to be in a good shape ni all the time? Can you, kalau kau dah kena bagi satu platform, how do you encourage the people yang want to pergi gym ni atau pergi doing healthy lifestyle ni?
Yes.
Exercise and everything ni, what would you say to them so that they always like, actually untuk kami ni. Kita on off pergi gym. Oh man. Okay. What would you advise them?
For me, macam mana macam apa? Because me as a started, I started from ada orang mengolok lah. Of course. So
Okay.
that is what
Bully lah.
it's
Mild
not like bully
bully.
lah.
Oh,
Cuma
okay.
like
Macam cabar lah.
Dia cakap begitu kan. Len, so hari dulu saya punya berat is just 60.
Okay.
So I was like very like yang letrik
Thin
lah
lah.
begitu.
Tin lah kan.
Tin lah.
Jadi dia
Apa dia bilang?
Len, kau okay kah? Okay. Wih, kuat angin lo kan? Ya. Kau terbang juga kan? Terus I was like,
Wow.
masa tu I motivate lah benda tu. So
Well,
TMI.
sekarang mana tu angin bilang? Tengok. Yeah, so you've been doing this for about like what, 5 years? 5 years now? 5 to 6?
I started on 2016. So
Yeah, around 6
but
years.
of course lah ada putus-putus.
Yalah. Because you're
begitu.
working and everything kan.
Yeah.
So you told us that kau pergi Mr. Friendship yang wakil Malaysia itu. We were proud when you kau ada bawa bendera tu. Kita very proud sebenarnya.
Yeah, very proud, man.
Yeah, and also people that from the block lah, orang bilang daripada Kota Marudu juga.
Yeah.
Wakil Sabah daripada Sabah. So tell us your lifestyle as a model. Kau macam mesti ada lah kan. Mesti ada yang DM.
Paham gitu.
Mesti ada yang DM kau yang tidak kira jam berapa ataupun messenger or I don't know what, Tinder, apa lagi sekarang zaman yang ada OnlyFans.
It's not OF.
OF kah? Itu kemasan.
Jangan terlampau direct.
OF.
Off lah.
Bahaya kalau
Mild
OF.
sikit.
Lagi orang fikir lain. Kata it's open. No. So tell us kau punya, I mean, you are good looking. You have the shape. You have the lifestyle. You are into the fashion.
He's
and
the hunk.
yeah, he's the Henry Golding of Sabah. Kan? So tell us.
Ada yang message kau HYE.
HI ada.
Kira buka lah.
Okay.
So honestly,
Okay.
but actually it's not for me. It's not. I'm not proud of it lah. Cuma we try to being diplomatic.
Okay.
Kita juga friendly. Cuma we try to being
High
diplomatic.
sense of
lah.
diplomacy lah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So kalau orang try mau approach kita, so we high back. We
Okay.
have to high back. I mean, like mungkin who knows dia ni one of the want to give the opportunity begitu. So we can cooperate. Dia
What
macam begitu
type
lah.
of opportunity?
Jobs.
Job. What kind of jobs?
The job is
Professional job lah. Yalah.
No. I mean like ada yang job is like go for the
Ya ke?
siliting. I mean ada yang professional memang professional kan.
yalah.
But
Ada.
ada. Memang ada. Ada yang try yang
alang-alang.
Ellen kau boleh go for naked kah? Okay. Kalau begitu kalau saya go for naked ada kontrak kah? Oh, tidak kontrak. Okay, red flag. Begitu.
Okay.
But kalau dia suruh saya naked pun no.
Yeah, you do that
because
kan?
yalah, it's professional,
Yalah.
do as a professional way lah.
Yalah, betul juga.
Okay. Wow.
How do you handle professionality? Wow, man.
Luckily, saya ada national director, saya ada manager.
Okay.
I see.
So saya kena refer dengan dia.
Okay.
So kalau macam saya tidak boleh handle, dia akan handle.
Oh, dia akan handle. Oh, which is
I
good.
see.
So, wow, okay.
So ada sistem di sana lah.
Oh,
Ada yang high, lepas tu kau high back. Ada yang high, kau high back. Ada yang kau ndak lah.
Oh, I see.
But sometimes ada juga nampak yang kau boleh diorang try hard. Begitulah, try hard dari last year lagi. I mean like they try to
konsisten lah.
Konsisten lah. Adakah diorang hantar gambar?
Diorang macam try hard lah. Ada juga yang
Ya,
hantar
because
gambar,
ada tu is to until the extent lah,
Yalah,
kan.
macam mana
To
kalau
the extent lah.
macam mana kalau saya mengurat perempuan, saya try hard, contoh.
Contoh.
Begitulah, begitu.
Asking for advice kayak gitu.
Adakah yang bini orang?
Yes.
Wow.
Ada experience juga lah. Cuma
Wow, okay.
How do you handle it?
I mean like
Kenapa? Kau nak dapat handle kalau gitu?
Nah,
Asking
for a friend.
Iyalah, professionally lah, betul lah. We also professional. Okay.
So benda ni actually it's normal in
Okay.
making industry and also in modeling industry.
I see,
So
I see.
bukan saja bini orang lelaki begitu lah. Tapi it's okay. Saya tidak mau judge lah.
Yalah.
Actually kalau dia orang bagi saya opportunity is I happy to work with them lah. Begitu. Cuma bila kalau dia sudah ask yang nonsense apa semua, saya tidak juga like terus bash dia orang.
Yalah.
Like, I'm very sorry, I cannot. Just profit. Okay, kalau rasa macam dia betul-betul mau cari, okay, I can suggest my friend. Begitulah. So,
begitulah.
itu pun depends on my friend lah.
Yalah.
Begitu.
Adakah yang macam Alan, this car is for you.
I have my car.
Which is good. Okay.
Pandai dia jawab.
No, I mean like it's pernah.
Oh, really? For your car?
Yeah.
Wow.
A female.
A female.
Of course lah.
Yeah, a female.
Oh, no, I see you. You're going where for the question? Okay.
How old?
How old is quite muda lagi baru about 40 lingkungan 40 to 50 begitu. Consider muda lah, I mean like
yalah.
Consider lah. So
Kau nak mau tanya nombor phone tu?
Saya
dia
tidak
offer-
perlu.
Oh, yalah.
Kadang-kadang
I
dia
got
offer
car.
kan, and then dia offer me car, so for me it's like disrespecting juga sebab
Yeah.
I'm respecting myself.
Yeah,
Jadi,
I do have my car, man.
sorry I also have car. So, begitulah kan.
Wow.
Was it
What? Kalau iyalah. Kalau macam masih lagi kalau masih lagi macam my V, I have my car. Tapi kalau G-Wagon,
GLC? Defender, the new Defender.
the new Defender. Cantik
Realistic
lah.
lah kira. Cantik.
So you experience this, and by saying so juga kau adalah professional doing your job. Bagi saya, that's what we should advocate to the pageants jugalah ataupun to the model jugalah, because of course lah kau model mestilah ada orang cucuk sana cucuk sini, mestilah ada yang working yang work so hard to get you and everything.
I see.
Knowing you are, I think you are single, I don't know.
But one thing about
tukar tajuk
ni-
terus.
bukan masih lagi alright.
Okay.
One thing about modeling juga ni, not everyone is like tidak kerja. Actually, diorang ni ada
Everybody?
dokter,
Wow.
ada cikgu,
Oh, I
begitu
see,
lah.
I see.
We can see the undung adau kan. Undung adau is also ada yang kerja nurse, everything. So diorang ada career. So,
Yalah, bukan yang
cikgu.
Kadang-kadang ada yang silap tangkap lah yang, wish ini ni mesti ada daddy ni. Contoh lah, contoh.
Stereotype kan.
Talking about that, daddy ni, adakah yang mami?
I knew it.
Adakah? yang 40-50 tadi itu mami lah bah.
Ya, milf. Sorry.
Did you just say milf?
Ada yang tanya kau lah
man.
kan.
Ada juga lah, but I
see.
cannot elaborate more lah.
Yeah.
I see.
Yalah.
No worries.
They're gonna probably know. Saya kena cakap saya terharu sebab saya punya case disebut di TikTok.
Saya dimension.
But
it's nice that you're able to talk about this professionally.
Yeah, man. I mean, in a on a serious note lah. I mean, macam saya cakap tadi, all the, I mean, like macam frontliner as a pageant begini ni, yang selalu orang nampak and everything. I think they should really have the discipline yang sebegitulah.
Ethics juga.
Yeah, ethics yang begitu. Bagi saya itu yang how they gonna, if they want to go far, they need to have that discipline, which is what you have right now lah. Ya, so tadi balik pada yang single tu.
It's secret.
It's a secret.
It's secret because I'm live now. And people gonna listen to the podcast now. Okay.
Gitu guys.
I have my wife.
Oh yeah.
Glock.
Okay. Oh wow. Okay.
Betul juga.
So, yeah. Okay.
I see.
Tapi,
wow.
tiada lah tu sebab tiada di Instagram saya nampak.
Oh,
Stop.
Kau sudah stop.
Judging.
Ada juga lah kalau in ada macam mana orang cakap apa? Kita mau lock lah begitu.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Lah. But
you have a vision, you got your plan lah.
Ada plan lah.
You got a plan lah. Alright. Okay. We respect that, and also I think everybody respect that lah juga. So, lagipun kita tidak mau mengecewakan peminat-peminat Ellen lah juga. Well, Ellen, kau cakap tadi kau into the music juga as well. And I don't know you. Kita ada cerita. He bought one of my MIDI punya player and everything.
Oh, I see.
So how often do you go for your music?
Actually sekarang ni ada kurang sudah sebab I lebih fokus kepada saya punya career kan.
Okay.
But saya ada buat satu lagu juga lah. It's not house, progressive house.
Wow.
Progressive house. Cuma satu sih, and then I stop begitu sih. So I don't know.
You do it for fun lah. You do it for fun.
Did for fun.
Okay.
Hobi free. Terus kita compose satu lah.
Can we hear it like anyway SoundCloud ke apa kata? Tidak upload lah.
Sebab I afraid itu pun ada copyright dia jadi.
Begitu. Cover and everything kan. I mean I think in a musical professional musical punya point of view lah. I think because the more you have, the more orang bilang profile you gonna build. So kalau macam kau, you have music punya talent. Kadang-kadang pageant ada yang begitu kan, orang tengok talent kau apa kan. Tapi kalau kau you have your line in your work lah, your memang main job lah, and then kau doing pageant, and then kalau kau buat music, kalau kau post it, at least kau punya one music pergi Spotify. I mean, another level up lah for you.
But for me ada juga pro and cons lah. Sebab kenapa? Kalau terlampau fleksibel pun we cannot focus on one thing.
Oh yeah.
I see.
Sebab
okay.
Sebab for me I like to be flexible, tapi saya pun tidak tahu kalau saya expert yang mana satu, yang terlalu expert mana satu begitu. Contoh kalau saya main piano, main violin, main gitar lagi, everything kan. Saya pun saya tidak tahu mana saya expert on.
They begitu. Say this,
but I can play. That's
in a very
ada pro and cons.
ada pada punya ni. Jack of all trades, master of none.
Yes.
So
don't forget.
Yes, continue.
There's another line at the back.
Yeah.
Jack of all trades, master of none, better than master of one.
Master of one, yeah.
Yeah.
Kenapa?
People always forget because
Why?
if you're good on the multiple things,
Alright.
you won't be focusing on one thing and then not knowing to do other things. Gitu betul.
Yeah lah.
Yeah.
It's better than just master is only one.
Yeah. Multi-talented lah
Yeah,
kira.
multi-talented lah kan.
But I like that you are focusing on certain things yang memang you are focusing on your future.
Yeah.
Your career kan. Yeah, and that's very respectable.
Yeah, I mean they're very focused with what dia macam on the line of his plan lah, which is good lah, which is good. Now I want to ask about your money management.
Money management anda lah.
No, because kau banyak travelling and everything. Of course lah kau kena tajam apa juga yang lain apa semua kan. And how kalau kau mau advice lah, ada orang yang probably yang kita punya youngsters yang mau into the line of pageant ataupun into the line of jangan cakap the police force lah, because police force we know the details and everything. Tapi kalau macam into the pageant lah, kalau dorang mau advice, boleh bikin duit kah ni Abang Ellen kalau kami ikut? Dia bilang for example. What would you say?
ada different between pageant and modeling. Modeling dia bikin duit.
Oh, I see.
okay,
I
yeah.
see.
But pageant kita boleh minta sponsor. I mean like sponsor from the government also,
Okay.
boleh NGO, everything.
I see,
So kalau dia sponsor dia terus bagi banyak contoh lah, begitu. Begitu. So kita ada contoh, as you know juga semua macam company dia ada kota-kota untuk kita ni kan, dorong sponsor. So di sana kita ambil peluang lah. Contoh begitu. So make money and penat, but great experience.
Yeah, if you really want to go with all out habis lah kan.
All habis lah.
Yeah.
Begitu. So, but salah satu lagi we have to choose the right platform lah, begitu. Jangan yang pergi platform yang tidak.
Jangan
begitu.
pergi agent yang tidak sepatutnya
Ya,
lah. Gitu kan.
Jangan pergi Playboy lah. Sorry.
Ui,
Playboy yang orang mau
make
pergi.
money.
It's in the market, it's in the stock exchange.
Oh, iyalah. I'm not going to talk more lah.
Talk more.
Please.
More. What is it?
Kira like okay. Let's ignore Playboy lah, because you know Playboy is big.
It's
Okay.
very big.
It's very big, but
The
you
biggest.
know it's popular for certain kinds of photo shoots and all that lah kan. So choose wisely lah kan. That's what you mean lah kan. Choose wisely. Yeah.
I'm waiting for your punch.
I am not going to go there. Nude modeling. Terus kira bagi terus lah kan.
Alan, before we end the podcast, we got something for you. Okay, we're gonna play teka-teki with you.
Alright.
We're gonna play teka-teki. Kita terkenal di TikTok. Untuk Alan punya, you can say hi to your viewers right now. Yeah.
Dia orang bilang ada yang connection tidak berapa bagus.
Yeah.
Okay lah.
Memang
yeah.
sini lah.
At least ada. Okay. Yeah. You guys out there, if you're listening, you can go to Kinabalu Podcast punya TikTok.
Yes.
And follow us there. Listen to all our social media, and of course go to the Spotify lah to listen to us lah.
Yes.
Alright, we're gonna go for Ellen lah. Who's gonna do this first, Ken?
Me first.
Okay.
Because I have put my heart and soul in this. Sudah.
Oh, saya sudah print ni gitu.
Okay. Okay lah, saya mau bagi kau satu lah. Senang-senang lah kan. Banyak ban. Ban apa yang tidak sedap?
Banjingan.
Betul juga. Okay.
Betul juga, tapi jawapan saya ban sisa.
Oh, banjingan.
Tapi itu lagi bagus lah. Itu lagi bagus. Banjingan.
Dua-dua boleh terima lah. Tapi itu lagi power.
Itu lagi power. Saya punya week kau gila.
Oh my god.
Baru starting lah.
Banyak-banyak tahi.
Oh sudah.
Tahi apa yang paling indah?
Tahi. Tahi lalat? No.
Ada juga lah yang manis kan. Tapi kadang-kadang yang bidak pula di hidung apa. Okay.
Dengan seksi.
Oh, setiap jawab asik.
Asyik ya. Give up.
Give up.
Tahiti.
Oh,
Tahiti.
Yeah,
oh, yeah, nice.
It's a nice place, man.
Yeah, it's nice place. Yeah, betul,
Fact
betul.
ah, aku masih pakai fact ah. Okay.
Betul loh.
Alright.
I got one for you. Tahinia. That doesn't work lah. Dikira tahnia lah, tapi tahinia.
Tahniah. Kamu mendapat naik pangkat gitu kan?
Sebab ada colleague saya, dia salah tulis.
Oh,
Dia kira macam, oh tahnia dapat ni. Dia salah tulis dia tahinia. It's a senior colleague lah. I'm like, oi, salah
Betul
tulis
juga.
aku.
Banyak sotong. Sotong apa yang tiada sertangan dia?
Sotong apa yang tidak setangan dia? Belum lagi saya jawab. Crack me good sudah.
Memang dia punya crack actually on the question sebenarnya. Tet.
Asik.
Sotong yang sudah di dalam perut lah. Ya, sudah makan lah.
I got one for you.
Alright. Okay.
Takoyaki.
Okay.
Dia ada tangan juga. Macam dia kau bilang fishball dulu tuh.
Betul juga lah takoyaki.
I got one. Saya ada satu.
Okay.
Benda apa ada dua paha dalam kotak?
Dua paha dalam kotak. Benda apa yang ada dua paha dalam kotak?
Yes.
I know. I don't know. Kalau kau asyik saya jawab.
Wow, okay.
I'll answer for you.
Yes.
KFC.
Sialah.
Betul.
Tapau KFC.
Oh wow,
KFC.
okay.
Hold on. That's the what is the?
I don't know. Kalau dia dua kaki Sob, terus beli combo tu Jadi
Oh, kamu.
ini alakat.
Oh alakat.
Sab nak cukup makan. Nanti kenyang lah.
Dapat edit sangat. Okay.
Kira explain lah.
Kalau biawak jadi manusia,
Alright.
Sudah.
buaya jadi lembu, manusia jadi apa?
Biawak jadi manusia. Buaya jadi lembu.
Manusia jadi apa?
Jadi biawak. Sorry.
Jadi hairan lah.
Oh jangan. Oh my god.
Actually konsep jadi biawak, sebab biawak jadi orang kan. Bila
okay,
dia saya tukar. Jadi hairan.
Dia tidak mau kalah.
Okay, saya mengaku kalah lah situ. Alright. Carry on, Ken.
Okay, gini. Kenapa kawan-kawan lari masa member tengah broken?
Kawan-kawan lari
Masa member dia tengah broken.
Tidak duit.
Broken yang macam yang yalah putus cinta ke apa.
Putus cinta.
Ya, kenapa?
Asih lah.
Asia. Sebab broken tooth. Sorry guys.
Okay, I got it.
Sorry. Not funny.
I give you satu ha.
That's good. Okay. Nanti saya tanya Adi siapa
That's a bad one lah.
Ada sambungan.
Ada sambungan lagi?
Ada.
Okay.
Kenapa kawan-kawan dia marah masa member tu broken kali kedua?
Okay. Kentut dia bau lah.
Itu sudah ada lari.
Okay.
Okay.
Lepas tu dia marah lagi. Okay, Asi.
Okay. Sebab broken cing merata-rata. Sorry.
You know, if you gonna post it on TikTok, it has to be 1 dan 2 terus dah boleh in the middle. People cannot relate. Alright.
Ada yang ketiga tapi that's not funny lah. Let's skip that one.
Apa yang kadang-kadang berbunyi di malam-malam hari? Nafas kuat. Kadang-kadang keluar suara jantan. Kadang-kadang keluar suara
Okay.
tengah malam. Apa itu?
Apa ni?
I have no idea. Okay, kejap.
Let me repeat back lagi.
Okay, repeat.
Apa yang kadang-kadang berbunyi tengah malam? Lepas tu ada suara-suara jantan. Lepas tu ada sikit, ada kadang-kadang keras, kadang-kadang lembut sikit. Ya. Apa itu?
Wow, okay.
Kalau kau asik saya jawab.
Kejap.
Okay, alright.
Let me jangan dia asyik saja. Dia special branch, okay.
Oi, challenge me what? Anjing? A dog?
Actually,
belum masih tu.
belum masih lagi.
Belum masih.
Salah.
Oh, salah. Okay.
Okay.
Asih lah.
Okay.
Tengah berak lah. Tai keras.
Itu yang semua jawab tadi.
Oh man.
Betul-betul out of the box lah.
Yeah, sometimes it's inside.
Okay, this one you can relate. Banyak-banyak tempat duduk. Tempat duduk apa kalau ditanya kabar dia selalu baik?
Macam mana? Repeat again?
Okay, banyak-banyak tempat duduk. Tempat duduk apa kalau ditanya kabar selalu baik?
Tempat duduk diraja. No. Tempat duduk.
Tempat duduk raja, okay.
Tempat duduk.
Helen?
Okay.
Yang selalu asal ditanya dia baik. Tempat duduk makan.
No.
Tempat
Give up saya.
Okay.
Okay.
Please.
Give up. So far so good. Sorry guys. This is all I got.
So good.
Tiba-tiba came to my mind when I sit on my sofa. No, sofa so good. Kira sofa.
The sofa. Okay.
Yeah, sofa so good. Sorry.
Okay, this sofa so good. Okay.
Good.
Okay. Let me do it.
I got more juga.
Okay, boleh.
Okay.
Banyak-banyak mimpi.
Okay.
Mimpi apa yang paling basah?
Mimpi apa yang paling basah? Banyak-banyak mimpi.
Ya.
Mimpi basah. Mimpi basah lah kan. Like,
Apalah. Mimpi banjir. Tengah banjir. Kau mimpi banjir, mimpi basah lah.
Ya.
oh really?
Ya.
Ya.
Asli lah. Mimpi banjir lah tu.
Ya. Kau mimpi sedang banjir, basah lah bang.
Sialah.
Fakta habis.
Gila.
Okay, I'm gonna cover that one. I'm gonna give you one, okay?
Okay.
Antara ayam atau telur, apa yang dulu?
Telur.
Okay.
Ayam. Telur ayam.
Oh, telur ayam, okay. Okay. Antara ayam dan telur.
Okay lah, saya opposite lah. Ayam.
Ayam. Salah, dua-dua aku salah.
Jadi
Antara. Saya cakap antara ayam dan telur. Apa yang dulu? Antara. Saya cakap antara kan tadi dulu.
Dalam ayat tuh.
Ya.
ya bahkan. Sitaga.
Okay, saya ada lagi.
Okay.
Banyak-banyak bata.
Okay, I like this going man. Alright.
Bata apa yang pandai bercakap?
Batakung.
Oh, bata lanjang.
Mana pada bercakap kalau telanjang?
Telanjang gitu.
Sorry.
Asi.
Saya belum.
Oh, berhabis dia.
Okay, Asi.
Batalipun.
That's a good one. Okay, that's a good one.
Okay.
Saya kasih habis satu bata doa. Batu,
Okay.
batu lah batu.
Alright. Okay, carry on.
Banyak-banyak batu. Senang lah ini. Batu apa yang mau dibuka?
Batukar.
Hampir lagi.
Oh, batu apa? Batu pi.
Enggak.
Dibuka kau tu buku macam saya. Kau pegang apa? Exam kan? Dia meninggu. Batungging.
Apa mau dibuka kalau betungging?
Ya lah bah.
Jadi
olo-olo pakai pantat.
Sialah RM50 no.
Okay, Asi.
Batutup.
Kalau batu mau dibuka kan?
Dibuka lah.
Oh, that's a good one. Okay. Saya.
Okay.
Banyak kurma. Kurma apa yang tidak disukai ramai sekarang ni?
Yusuf Tayyub.
Banyak kurma. Kurma apa yang banyak tidak disukai?
Ya.
Saya pun dah tahu.
Bakurunga.
Let me rephrase the question. Banyak kurma apa yang tidak disukai ramai sekarang ini?
Sekarang ini.
Yusuf Samsul.
Sialah.
Samsul Yusuf.
Kita.
Bodoh. This is not even.
Okay lah, Yusuf Tayyub lah kan.
Ya, Samsul Yusuf kan. Dia tengah trending kan.
Yes, betul.
We not gonna judge, okay? This is just a joke, alright guys.
Oh my
Just a joke, alright.
Okay.
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 Kau Ken.
Okay, kalau terang kita silau lah kan. Kalau sejuk.
Kalau terang kita silau. Kalau sejuk
Kalau terang kita silau.
kita menggigil.
Salah.
Okay. Kau
Kita
Alan?
kesejukan lah.
Salah.
Apalah?
Mesilau. Kan sejuk.
Kalau
Oh, okay.
kalau apa tadi soalnya kau? Apa soalnya?
Kalau terang kita silau.
Kita silau.
Okay.
Kalau sejuk
Kita mesilau.
mesilau. Sejuk lah kan.
Nice man.
Sorry.
Nice man. Okay, last one for me.
So stupid.
Apa jadi Hold on. Apa yang orang panggil ayam kalau dikaitkan dengan warna merah?
Ayam sabung.
Wow. Tapi ada ayam sabung warna lain.
Okay.
Apa yang selalu paling dominan selalu macam ayam dengan warna merah?
KFC.
Almost.
Ayam brand.
Ya, okay. Tapi ayam brand mana hijau logo dia, okay.
Oh, okay.
Spesifik kan ni, Mbak?
Ayam kurma lah pula.
Tiada yang ayam masak merah bahkan. Ayam masak merah lah.
Okay, kamu sudah tanya soalan, saya lagi tanya soalan.
Okay. I like it.
Alright. Kenapa kucing kalau kita kurung dalam satu tempat, dia mau keluar sih, dia mengiau-ngiau. Kenapa?
Dia mau mencari bini lah.
Salah.
Dia mau mengawat, kira sama lah.
Sikit itu.
Oh, okay.
Kenapa dia mau keluar dari kurungan dia lah? Kenapa dia mengiau-ngiau? Dia mau
miau begitulah.
Let me out.
Let me out tu lah. Wow.
Kami punya level tinggi.
Okay, last soalan.
Okay.
I like it.
I like this.
Tahu Beethoven kan?
Okay, tahu.
Beethoven, dia punya lagu symphony. Okay, apa favorite fruit dia? Apa favorite dia punya apalah, dia punya buah-buahan?
Okay. Okay. I heard this before. Beethoven, okay, symphony. Dia ada symphony apa?
Dia ada symphony 1, 2, 3, banyak lah kan.
Okay. So, what is your favorite fruit?
Apa dia punya
Fruity Loops? No. Okay.
You use that?
Yeah, of course. Okay.
That's good.
Okay.
I have no idea.
Okay, Asi.
Banana.
Oh my god.
I heard this before. Shit, I forgot, man. This is funny, man.
This was a meme years ago.
Yeah. Banana. Oh, wow,
Okay,
man.
fine.
Alright, that's it for me.
Wow.
Okay. I think I'm done. Saya habis sudah sebenarnya.
Okay.
Kau ada lagi kan? Carry on.
Steady ada satu. Last
Okay.
lah. Banyak jin. Jin apa yang mati kalau dikasih rasun?
Mau juga yang dalam-dalam rasun konon bah. Okay.
Jinaka.
Lawak jinaka.
Sam dia pun kasih dalam-dalam tadi kan.
Salah.
Apa soalnya? Banyak jin apa yang?
Banyak jin apa yang mati kalau dikasih rasun?
Mesti
Racun lah.
Okay, jin.
Saya punya style lah.
Iyalah.
Asilah kalau saya.
Okay, Asia. Saya belum lagi. Jinama Goromokson.
Sudah rasun dikasih rasun lagi.
Okay.
Salah.
Okay, apalah.
Jintik.
That's a good one, man. Bikin jintik.
Jintik lagi. Aduh.
That's in relation of the kan rasun. Sebab jintik dia bukan jentik.
Jentik kan. Itulah saya kasih rasun.
Oh man.
Oh my, this is so stupid.
Well, okay. That's the end of the podcast, man. Actually, kami betul-betul mau buat pick up line sebenarnya, tapi probably next
time lah.
Let's give him one lah, Ken.
I'll give him one.
Yeah, give him one or two lah. Kita mau test kau punya ability dalam acting.
Alamak.
Acting kau out kah?
Acting saya boleh try, tapi saya memang out lah.
Okay, try. Try to be a lady now. Since kau Ellen, tapi nama kau sini Alena. Okay, Alena, are you ready? Okay, let's.
Yes.
Yeah. All out. Kita mesti mau man dia yang okay. Elena. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Alang-alang sudah si Ellen sini. Alena. Okay.
Oh my god.
Tahukah kamu beza kamu dengan ayam?
Tidak. Apa itu?
Dua-dua aku mau makan.
Oh my god.
Sounds so wrong, man. Never mind. For the fun of it. Okay.
Okay, saya ada satu lah.
Alright. Oh, alright.
Okay.
Be in the character, man. Okay, alright. Okay.
Awak.
You.
Awak. Saya rasa phone saya rosak lah.
Kenapa?
Sebab dari tadi saya cari nombor awak tak ada pun.
Wow. Okay, I can use that.
You can have this.
Alena, kalau kamu disuruh pilih mocha atau kopi, apa kamu pilih?
Mocha.
Mau kawin kau dengan bismillah.
Tapi suara perempuan.
Kalau saya bilang kopi apa?
Kopi nangkau dengan bismillah.
Dua-dua kan dia jalan tau. Oh, okay.
For your listeners out there, for your viewers, you can use this.
Oh.
Okay. Ada kan? Okay. Kau tahu kah beza kau Alena? Kau tahu kah beza kau dengan babi?
Bodoh.
Babi? Apa beza?
Babi tu babi, kau tu baby.
Wow. Betul-betul turning over. Gila kan?
Tengok.
Kan?
Okay, saya ada satu.
Okay.
Macam kira seterampak kau lah. Rasa macam ada dekat museum seni lah.
Wow, okay.
You expecting him to ask?
Yeah. So you be like kenapa lah?
Okay lah. Tapi
Kena ajar lagi.
saya mau jawab museum mana satu? Begitu lah.
Okay. Alamak, lari pula.
Kau cakap kenapa?
Kenapa?
Sebab cantik betul makhluk depan mata ni.
Oh, cici.
Ceriai.
Woi, but this is the proper one. No. Woi, proper one. No.
Wait.
Alena,
Very classic.
Alena, boleh pinjam phone kau?
Phone tidak bateri. Ya, boleh.
Sebab saya mau save nombor saya untuk kamu. Bukan, actually wrong. Actually sebab mama saya bilang dia suruh call saya untuk kalau kau jumpa kau punya jodoh begitu betul. Salah flag dah. So wrong.
Just now jadi stalker.
Yeah.
So wrong, man.
Okay. Ni.
Okay. Last one from you. Last one from me.
Last one.
Alright.
Awak percaya tak dekat cinta pandang pertama?
Kenapa?
Salah lagi. Dia macam rigid tau.
Oh, okay.
Ya. Kira macam kau sebut percaya.
Oh, okay. Kalau saya bilang tidak percaya,
kejap saya patah balik. Nak jadi.
Oh, maksudnya saya ni hard to get lah konon ni kan? Sorry.
Okay guys, don't use that one. That one failed.
Okay. Alena, kita kan bertiga. This is classic for me.
Oh, klasik ni.
Is one, is two, is three.
Sure.
Wow.
You can use that, man.
Yeah.
You got one more? You done?
No, I don't have.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna give you a stage. Ellen. Whatever to our listeners, to your listeners, probably you're gonna share this, of course, the podcast afterwards. Share whatever you want to tell the world about drug abuse or whatever it is in the light of your duty or in line of your career.
Okay. Saya ada satu tip.
Okay.
I have only one tip. Macam kamu tahu lah, the biggest mistakes comes from too much talking. So be silent and be deadly, because silent is deadly. Begitu. Wow. But seriously,
Damn. Betul lah.
the biggest mistakes.
I'm gonna
comes
stop
from
talking now.
Too much talking.
Wow.
Talk too much.
What about the podcast then?
Well, tapi there is very strong words.
Yes, very strong
words. Especially people. I mean, I don't know to categorize you. Are you introvert or extrovert? I don't know. But jangan pandang enteng to introvert punya people lah.
Yes. Definitely.
The deadly is silent is deadly. I mean, you know.
Oh, yeah.
And I guess for me and from my optics kan, your statement would be for me is work in silent. People who can see the result.
That's it.
Walk the talk lah. Walk the talk.
Walk the talk. You don't have to
Especially
riak.
especially in business, everything. So
No need to show off and
I mean
everything.
like yalah, sebab kalau kita bercakap, the more kita buat mistakes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's true. The more people see kita, the more dorang copy and the more they kill us. Probably juga, you know.
Yeah. Betul juga.
Wow.
Nice
So,
one, man.
yeah.
I love that one.
Thank you.
Dari saya personally, thank you Alan for coming to the studio.
Thank you.
for
Thank you
having
so much.
I mean, an awesome 3 parts in the episode.
Yeah.
Keep doing what you're doing.
Thank you.
Keep advocate people about drug abuse and awareness of drug abuse. And please help maintain Malaysia in the line of your duty. And if you become someone someday in the pageant world or in the modeling punya constituents, please remember that keep on doing what you are willing to do to the public, to the eyes of the people.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you so
man.
much. Thank you.
Ken.
And from me, this has been a really awesome podcast.
Yeah.
And I really enjoyed the things that you impart to us.
Alright.
And to the listeners out there. I like what you're doing. Kira macam aku judge. No lah. I mean, keep on advocating what you're advocating. Drug abuse is some serious shit.
Yeah.
I
Very
have
serious
family members that got into that shit, and they managed to got out, thankfully. And yeah, I concur with what you're saying. And keep on doing, man. I can
you,
see
thank
you
you.
becoming Henry Golding one day.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Keep
We're
it
proud of it.
up, man.
So yeah, thanks for the opportunity. Thanks for the platform. Thanks for the medium. I appreciate this.
Yes,
Yeah,
man.
man. Awesome.
Then of
Awesome
course
shit.
to be like him, to be powerful like him, get M3N. Okay, podcast ini dibawakan
Yeah,
kepada
man.
anda oleh M3N. Dan untuk orang kata mengekalkan tenaga, gaya dan keyakinan ni, dia boleh berikan kita tenaga ekstra sepanjang hari dan dapat kualiti tidur yang menyokong tahap hormon lelaki yang sihat.
Ya, mulakan gaya sihat. Hari ini dengan M3N, harga sebotol adalah RM85 sahaja. Dapatkan diskaun sebanyak RM5 setiap pembelian dengan menggunakan kod KINABALU semasa check out di website dan di WhatsApp.
Dan layari laman sesawang mereka di www.malasta.com.my untuk membeli sekarang juga.
Ikuti mereka di FB atau IG @m3n.kuasa. Boleh order melalui WhatsApp di 017-512-3401.
I'm gonna add on TikTok. You can go check the affiliate punya link.
Yes.
On the yellow bag, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
Yeah.
Check it
and check it out there and can get it from there. Saya
Yes.
Ricardo.
Saya Kenny.
Kami dari Kinabalu Podcast, the number one podcast in Sabah. Ciao, Chin, ciao.
Ciao, Bella, ciao.
What's up? It's JJ. I'm going to laugh so that you recognize me. Sorry. You're listening to the Kinabalu Podcast, the number one podcast in Sabah.
Chapter systems are offline. Number one for today's hits and all-time favorites.